So we've passed our framing inspection, and I actually have the insulators on site right now. I've gone through all my checks. So what are my last minute things I want to look for before essentially the insulation guys cover up all the walls? So as you guys can see, we have our insulation on site. What I want to do is I've already made sure that all of my wiring and everything is in the correct spot. Now I'm just doing a quick walkthrough, and I just want to make sure anywhere there's a little penetration through the wall that we make sure it's sealed. We have to make sure that this house is airtight. It's part of the rules where we live. My goal is just to do a double check, sort of a last minute check before they cover up all these walls, that if there's any penetrations going between the two units, so the front duplex and the back duplex, or anything going from the inside walls to the outside walls, that we've addressed where there's any holes. Sometimes, trades can basically drill through, leave a hole, and then move it over somewhere else. So I just want to make sure all those are sealed up. We do the same thing on the outside when we're doing the rain screen. We seal up the holes from the outside, but I also like to seal them up from the inside. Is it necessary? Probably not, but it's just sort of double the protection, making sure that you're covering all your bases, because the last thing you want is a little air leak ruining your air test, which will obviously affect your air test scores. So just a small thing. I've only been here for about an hour, but I just went through the whole house, checked all the areas where we have penetrations from one unit to the other, from the inside to the outside, sealed them up nice and good. I've also spoken with the insulator and let them know as they're going through, because they're going to look at it a lot more detail than I am, to make sure if they see any spots, I've had a conversation with them what my expectations are. A simple thing, but this is a really key point when you're doing your build, just to kind of elevate that a little bit more.